Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about Wipro star hiring for 2023 batch. This is what they from star hiring from 2023 batch. Complete explanation I am going to give. Watch the video till end. You are going to spend 1 or 2 minutes. If you skip out, you will miss so many content. Before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel. If you are not visit our channel, visit our channel anytime. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will surely reply, guys. Let's go to the page. This is what they from star hiring opportunities from Wipro from on campus for 2023 batch. The CTC going to be an 10 LPA. Here will be there mentioned CTC going to be 10 LPA and the eligible criteria going to be 10th 12th 60% through the all academics, which they mentioned 10th 12th and your college UG as well as PG they are mentioned as 60%. One block is allowed for assessment. Arrear in the sense one arrear is enough. Backlog is the sense is arrear. 3 years of education gap is allowed. And 8th semester did not clear also, no problem. They mentioned here itself. And 5-year graduation, all kind of things they mentioned. And here going to be a 2023. Fully for 2023, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches can apply. Civil, mechanical, mechatronics, all branches can apply for this role. Which they mentioned here itself, all branches can apply for UG as well as PG. 10 LPA and 1 for return bonus after 1 year of your bond is over. They will provide 1 year bonus. So hardly 11 LPA and you are getting 1 LPA for each month and 1 lakh for your retaining bonus. The round test rounds will be verbal, data interpretation, critical thinking, quantitative, and 43 minutes of aptitude, 20 minutes of verbal, and 2 coding 60 minutes, and 1 programming language question in test like C, Java, Python, any one you should attend and you should fill out the coding. The terms and condition and everything they can mention here. If you are not create a SuperSet account, I will put a link in the description how to create a SuperSet account. Just create a SuperSet account and start applying. So I am from 2022. So this is completely for 2023 batches. So I am not eligible. 2023 batches all can eligible for this role. So create account as much quickly and start wrote the exam, guys. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will surely help you, guys. Thanks for watching.